Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am super sleepy, you guys. It's the first day of school. I'm so sad, you guys, but like I'm gonna take you guys with me to school, and also I'm gonna get ready with you guys. It's gonna be a long day, you guys. So first, let me show you guys my outfit, huh? I'm wearing this shirt right here. It's like a little kind of cropped little square, I don't know what to call this, but yeah, it's a little shirt. And then I'm just wearing some jeans, and my shoes are I'm wearing some sandals, you guys. So these are the sandals. Probably doesn't go with the outfit, but I love these sandals, so I had to wear them, you know. They have so much like jewel, like not jewels, but like sparkle. So yeah, that is the outfit. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by doing my face now, and then I'll do my hair later. I'm gonna start with this Mario Badescu spray, and I'm gonna spray it all over my face. I have oily skin, but if I don't do this, then my makeup is gonna go on very dry and like patchy, and I don't want that. So now I'm gonna moisturize. And you guys, I might do a voiceover in some parts just because I want this to go faster. And who knows, I might go to school early. Probably not, most likely not, but maybe, you know, possibly. It's like 6 something right now. Everyone's at senior sunrise. I'm not. I'm here doing my makeup and talking to you guys, because I was not about to wake up extra early, you know. You guys, I'm a senior now. I don't think I mentioned that, but like I'm a senior now, 1 more year. I'm super not ready. Like I want to stay home forever, but I gotta go to school. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Anastasia Dip Brow. Okay guys, so makeup break. We are going to go make my coffee. Okay guys, so I was doing one eye off camera, and you guys, like I got a little carried away. I kind of got some pink in there, some glitter. It's pretty crazy today. This is what I have so far, so I'm gonna do it on the other eye. You guys remember how I said that I might be early? Forget about that, you guys. I'm still not gonna be early. I don't know if I like it. Like the red kind of ruined it, the red glitter. I don't know. It'll look good with the lashes, but like right now I'm not feeling it that much, you know? Okay, so this is the 3502 palette from Morphe, and I'm taking the shade Fire. Like, we went there today, you guys. But like, I don't even do my makeup anymore, so this is acceptable, you know? And like, I'm wearing like red and yellow, you know? So I have to have school spirit by doing the school colors. These are not actually the school colors, you know, but gold is. What kind of? I have some maroon in there. Okay, now switching over to the Jaclyn Hill palette. I need to take this yellow one right here, and I'm gonna blend out this red. I should have done the yellow first, but since I did this on this one, I have to do the same, you know? Okay guys, so I have no idea why I thought it looked bad. Okay, so now I'm taking some of this red right here. Like, I'm here editing and I'm like, girl, that looks so good. What was I thinking? Okay, so now I have to cut my crease. Okay guys, so somehow I got some pink in here, so I'm gonna take this one right here. It's like this matte pink, and you guys can't see it. You guys see it now? I don't know, I'm sorry. But like, that's how I got some pink in there. You guys, I was in a hurry.
But then after the pink, I put some more red in there.
Okay, so now for the glitter. Taking some glitter glue.
So then right here, I'm adding the red glitter.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do the little gold. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyeliner now, and I'm taking my NYX matte liquid liner.
You guys, look at me wing the eyeliner. Yes, that looks so good, so sharp. Wow, amazing. Okay, and then I did my foundation off camera because you guys see me doing it in every video, but I used my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. Then I put some lashes, and then I did my lips in the car with a Morphe liquid lipstick.
Okay guys, so I made it to school. I look super cute, you guys. I actually look good. Like, I don't look like trash today.
You guys are about to see how extra and obsessed I was with myself.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at my makeup, you guys. I came super extra today. Like, I bet I'm the only one doing this right now, huh? I think I look so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. You guys, I don't want to be here, but like, I'm excited to see my friends, you know? So, I'm super happy. I can't stop looking at myself. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm about to check what class I have first. Hi guys! Hi Astrid! Rosemary, hi, where is everyone? Yeah, I am.
They're link groups, so they already left.
Oh, they did?
Math.
We don't?
No.
I have history first, you guys. What about you guys? What do you have first?
I have art first. We have math.
Art?
Yeah.
Math?
Actually,
Luckies. It's fine
okay,
though.
we'll still give you our work. Yeah.
I have history first, so I'm kind of happy. Yeah, you guys, we should take a picture. Ready?
I know, I think
You guys?
someone else.
Who is this? Oh, hi! Say hi to my vlog.
Hi. No, don't post that.
Why not? It's fine. I always look ugly.
I'm not wearing makeup.
Actually,
I know, but like, I always look ugly on there. It's fine. We should take a picture, you guys. Ready? So we can screenshot. This way, though. I think. I don't want to be here, but I'm glad I saw you guys.
you're early. Yeah, you're
I know, right? I know.
Like before 8?
I was supposedly gonna come earlier. I was like, never mind.
You were like, let's huddle.
Who?
The freshmen.
Oh.
I wonder if they're short.
You guys, I don't want to go to class. I don't want to go, Sarah. Don't let me go to class, please. Don't leave me.
to us.
Yeah, I want to go to your class. I know.
This clip was from my first period, and you guys, it was so awkward to take.
Shaylee, so how was your first class?
It was okay.
Yeah, it was kind of good because you're in my class, so I'm happy. Oh, we have our next class together, English. I'm so glad. Are you glad? I hope Isabel has it with us.
Me too.
Yeah, Shaylee.
My hair's kind of going up. Do you notice?
Are you happy with our class?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I am.
I know, me too. Smile. Astrid, I'm so glad we have a class together. Okay guys, so we're off to a new class. It was super fun, Shaylee, huh? English? I think it's gonna be good. She's a nice teacher, so
She is.
I'm excited for English. You have Spanish? Yay! Me too. Yeah.
Okay, thank God.
Don't you feel like weird? Like now we're seniors, we're like the oldest, and you can tell. I feel like everyone else looks younger. Hi Denise, how is your day so far?
My nail fell off.
I'm so tired, you guys.
Freshman.
Huh? Excuse me. Oh my god, they're so tiny. They're so tiny. The little freshmen. They do. Heading to math, you guys. Last period, finally.
Oh, my skin is so
You guys,
oily.
I'm oily. Look at this.
You're mask.
I have a little sponge though.
You look so white.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, this is cute. Hold on, let me a picture, but like I'll screenshot, you know?
Okay.
I said I would
No,
screenshot
I'm
so
not
many
gonna
times in
smile.
this video and I never did. I will though.
You know, we'll screenshot. But like, oh, hold on, you guys, we're in math. Hopefully I can stay awake the rest of the year because
Hi, Fatima.
6th period math, huh? Yeah. 6th period math is gonna be the worst like freshman year because I was always sleeping. So hopefully I can stay awake and hopefully I pass. So yeah. Okay guys, bye. I'm finally out of school, you guys. I'm so ready to go home and take off my eyelashes and just take a nap. Yeah, I'm vlogging right now. Not a lot, but like, you know,
Hey
I'm getting
guys.
better.
So we're seniors now.
I know.
I've known her since kindergarten.
It's crazy.
know,
We
it's
grew up together, you guys.
Since we were like 5 years old.
You guys, I went crazy with my makeup today.
You really did.
It just
It's like
happened.
how you did your cheerleading makeup.
Yeah. I feel like I should have done this when I was a cheerleader.
I woke up at 5 o'clock, you guys, and I am surprised, but I did it.
I woke up early too. Like, why?
And you made it on time.
I did. I was early.
I'm
My-
so sad that I have math last.
I have
I'm
math
gonna be
first for
sleeping.
once. I usually have it like 5th.
Wait, you
3rd.
want it first?
Yes.
We're gonna screenshot from here.
Senior year.
Thumbnail. Ready?
Okay guys, so that was my first day of school. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And well, I had lots of fun bringing you guys with me. Let me know if you guys would like to see more school videos. So don't forget to comment some video ideas. You guys, look at my makeup. Like, it's so messed up now. Something smeared. I don't know if it's the eyeliner that I use or if it's the mascara. I don't know. That's how you know it's been a rough day. Like, it's so hot. So my makeup is all messed up now, but it held up pretty well the whole day. I really enjoyed it, you guys. I was super extra with my makeup. But yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!